Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Fonts to your websites. Let's start. First of all, open the Google and search here Google Fonts. Click the first link. In this website you will find hundred of different type of fonts provided by Google. So suppose I want to use this font to my website, just click on this font, select preview text to Europe and language to English. Scroll down and from this list of fonts select your font weight. So suppose I want to use this font weight, just click on light 300, this add button. You will see a link here. And suppose I want to use another font by using this same link, just click on this fonts. You can search here, like you can also search from here by using font name, like I'm going to search here Indie Flower. Select this font, scroll down and click on this add button. You will see a link here to your right side. Just copy this link, open your HTML code and paste this link inside your head section. Define a style tag here. So suppose I want to use Indie Flower font to my H1. Just copy this line, open your HTML code and type here H1 curly braces, and inside this paste this line like font family Indie Flower. Save this. So you can see that font of my heading 1 have been changed successfully. I have also added this second font name Poppins. So just copy this line, and suppose I want to give this font family to my paragraph, just type here P and paste this line here. I will save this and refresh my page. You can see that the font of my paragraph have been also changed. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer the question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.